Hello. It's going to be an interesting week of weather. Monday starting with a bit of a north-south split. The satellite picture is a fairly messy situation with the UK hiding somewhere under here. But this was taken through the early hours. You can see this swirl of cloud. That's an area of low pressure that's just drifting up to the north of Northern Ireland. It's bringing plenty of showers here. But the band of rain across England and Wales, well, that is shrinking away. And so for most of England and Wales, the rest of Monday, set fair, dry and bright. But close to that low, it's pretty blustery. Gusty winds over northern England, Scotland and Northern Ireland. And across Scotland and Northern Ireland, plenty of showers packing in. Although by the end of the day, they should be easing in Northern Ireland with some sunny spells developing. Plenty of hazy sunshine for England and Wales. The winds fairly light across the south as well. And it's pretty warm for the time of year. Could squeak up to 19 in the capital. Generally, we're looking at temperatures in the mid to high teens. A cooler feel, though, for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Under that low pressure, which will continue to bring some heavy showers, particularly across the northeast and the Northern Isles as we go through this evening. In fact, right the way through the night, northerly winds will bring showers into Caithness, Sutherland and the Northern Isles, but elsewhere, most places become dry and clear, but we are going to start to see some fog patches forming, and those fog patches could be quite dense in a few spots by the morning time. Temperature-wise, well, under clear skies with light winds, it's going to turn pretty chilly. We could easily see some pockets of frost through parts of Northern Ireland and rural spots across Northern England too. Generally, we're down to low single figures for most. So a fresh start to Tuesday, and there will be that fog around parts of Northern Ireland, northwest England, down through the Welsh Marches and across the Midlands. Even southern parts of England could have that fog. Getting to that time of year where it takes a few hours, may well still be lingering, certainly through the rush hour, and perhaps even beyond that. So during Tuesday, it's by and large a dry and a fine day. A bit more cloud, a bit more breeze picking up in the southwest, staying fairly breezy in the far north with maybe the odd shower for the Northern Isles. But generally dry and bright with sunny spells once that fog has cleared away. And temperatures responding to that October sunshine. Again, quite mild for the time of year in the south, 17, 18 degrees generally. 12 to 15 Celsius elsewhere. Just notice the breeze picking up in the southwest though, the cloud thickening up. There is some outbreaks of rain down here, and they are just edging closer, those outbreaks of rain, as we go through Tuesday evening. Still, most places will be dry and fine. Again, some mist and fog is possible, but not in the southwest as the winds start to pick up. This line of rain is actually a set of weather fronts tied into an area of low pressure that will dominate the weather for much of this week. Around it, kind of spawning other little weather systems that travel northwards. They'll bring bands of showers across the country. The isobar is quite close together as well, so it's often going to be windy this week. There will be bands of heavy showers moving northwards, but because of the position of this low, if we rewind the clock and where the winds are coming from, they're drawing up warmer air from Spain and from France all the while. So it's going to be quite mild through this week as well, particularly between the bands of showers where we see some sunshine. Temperatures could be really quite high for this time of year. So we're looking at spells of rain this week, often windy, but also at times fairly warm. For our full detailed week ahead forecast, subscribe to our YouTube channels, and there'll be one up there on Monday afternoon.